I'm Jerry Wilson. Welcome to another episode of American Dream TV as we explore a very popular community in south of Wilsonville called Villebois. Please join us. Today we're joined with Jennie Hill today with J Hill Property Group, Keller Williams, Portland Premier. Jennie, not only have you listed and sold a lot of properties here in Villebois, but you're also a resident as well. Please tell us what makes this master plan community so special.
Thanks, Jerry. Villebois is a really unique community because of the way it was designed. The final plan was approved in October of 2000. And now there are going to be almost 2,500 housing units by the end of next year. And it's special because of the way it connects people. The lot sizes aren't huge, but we have over 160 acres of green space. And the concept was really to get people out and connecting in a community atmosphere.
What are some of the highlights that Villebois promotes as far as activities?
Yeah, so my team and I put on community events on every major holiday. We also host a monthly ladies' night, men's night, and then there's all kinds of other ways for people to connect. There's book clubs, there's pickleball. The farmers market happens in our neighborhood every week during the summer. So yeah, there's no end to the ways to connect if you want to. It's a great place to live, really high quality of life, great schools, great accessibility to the freeway, shopping, restaurants. Yeah, there's not a lot to pick at.
We're joined by Grace Williams, J Hill Property Group, Keller Williams, Portland Premier. Grace, as we learned earlier today, Jennie Hill not only sells and lists property here, but also a resident. The same for you. Why is it so important for you to live here in Villebois?
Well, you know, it's just the way that the neighborhoods lay it out. It really allows for community building, just all the parks and trails. I've met friends out running that I now run with regularly, play pickleball with, people come join you. It's pretty special.
Community seems to be the theme at Villebois. Why is that so important to you?
Well, the way that our societies were structured originally was village style. The people who are around you are the people who are loving you, caring for you, all of those things. And this neighborhood, I feel like, really allows for that type of living.
And you've obviously been in the real estate business. You've seen other master plan communities. What do you think Villebois separates themselves from other master plan communities?
You know, everyone's really involved. We have ladies' nights, men's nights, photos with Santa, turkey trot, farmers market, you name it. And so it's just endless opportunities for people to get out to meet each other. You're seeing each other throughout the year, and you're able to really develop those deeper relationships because you're seeing them regularly.
Well, Grace, thank you so much for sharing so many great things about Villebois, the community, and please enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of American Dream TV. I also like to thank our guests, Jennie Hill and Grace Williams with J Hill Property Group, Keller Williams, Portland Premier, as we learned very many desirable amenities of the great community Villebois. So please tune in next time for another episode of American Dream TV.